Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Digit's customer support. If you ever need assistance with Digit, reaching out to their customer support is easy and straightforward. Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to get it done. First step, open the Digit app. So just launch the Digit app on your smartphone. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Step 2, access the Help Center. Now tap the menu icon. This is usually represented by three horizontal lines or your profile picture, of course, located in the top left or the top right corner of the app's home screen. Step 3, navigate to support options. From the menu, you're going to look for options like help and support or customer support, or it could be contact us. Tap on these options to open the support section. Step 4, choose your preferred contact method. Digit offers multiple ways to get in touch. You could use live chat for real-time assistance, or you could use email support if your issue is less urgent or requires detailed explanation. You could also use phone support. Now, some users may have access to phone support where you can call and speak directly with a representative. Step 5, describe your issue clearly. When contacting support, be as clear and specific as possible. You want to include important details like what problem you're experiencing, any error messages that you've seen, your account information, and steps that you've already tried to fix the issue. This helps the support team to diagnose and solve your problem a lot faster. Step 6, wait for a response or continue chatting. If you're using chat, an agent will usually reply within minutes. For email, you can expect a reply within a day or two, and make sure to keep notifications enabled so that you don't miss their message. If this guide helps you, please like and subscribe for more helpful digital tutorials and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.